Have you ever wanted to hold on to a moment forever? Photography lets you do just that. It's like having a time machine, freezing memories into pictures. A single photo can tell a story, evoke emotions, and transport you back to that instant. Whether it's a breathtaking sunset, a candid portrait of a loved one, or the simple beauty of everyday life, photography helps us see the world with fresh eyes. It allows us to share our unique perspective and connect with others through stunning visuals. Photography is more accessible than ever before. With the rise of smartphones and affordable cameras, anyone can become a photographer. It's all about capturing light and composing a shot that speaks to you. So, grab your camera, get out there, and start capturing those special moments. The world is your canvas, and the possibilities are endless. Choosing the right camera can be exciting and maybe a little overwhelming. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Let's break down the most popular types. DSLR cameras are like the pros use. They have big sensors for amazing image quality and let you change lenses for different types of photography. If you're serious about taking your skills to the next level, a DSLR is a great investment. Mirrorless cameras are gaining popularity fast. They offer similar image quality to DSLRs, but in a smaller, lighter package. They're perfect for travel and everyday photography. Smartphones have become incredibly powerful, with cameras that rival standalone models. They're super convenient and offer amazing features, making them ideal for casual photography and sharing on social media. The best camera is the one you have with you. Experiment with different types to find the one that fits your needs and shooting style. Now let's talk about the 3 essential settings that every photographer should know: shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Think of them as the ingredients for a perfect photo. Shutter speed controls how long your camera's sensor is exposed to light. A fast shutter speed freezes motion, like a speeding car or a bird in flight. A slow shutter speed creates motion blur, giving a sense of movement to your photos. Aperture is like the pupil of your camera's eye, controlling how much light enters the lens. A wide aperture, low f number, creates a shallow depth of field, blurring the background and making your subject pop. A narrow aperture, high f number, keeps everything in focus, ideal for landscapes. ISO measures your camera's sensitivity to light. A low ISO is best for bright conditions, while a higher ISO is helpful in low light. But be careful, as increasing the ISO can introduce noise or graininess to your photos. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play around with these settings to see how they affect your images and discover your own unique style. Ready to take your photography to the next level? Here are a few beginner-friendly tips. First, think about composition. The rule of thirds is a classic guideline. Imagine dividing your frame into 9 equal parts and place your subject at one of the intersections for a more balanced and visually appealing shot. Lighting is everything in photography. Soft, diffuse light like you find on cloudy days or during the golden hour is generally more flattering than harsh midday sun. Don't be afraid to get close to your subject. Fill the frame with what interests you and capture those small details that tell a story. Practice makes perfect. The more you shoot, the better you'll become at recognizing great light composing shots, and mastering your camera settings. Most importantly, have fun. Photography is a journey of discovery. So, relax, experiment, and enjoy the process of capturing the world through your lens.